Goddess Nuwa walked among early people and loved the sound of their songs by the river. One stormy season, the pillars of heaven cracked, and fire and water spilled into villages. Houses tipped, dragons of flood roared, and children huddled on hills waiting for calm. Nuwa gathered 5 colored stones from riverbeds because each color stood for wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. She melted the stones in a sacred fire until they flowed like bright ribbon. With careful hands, she patched the torn sky, one corner at a time, never rushing. She cut the legs of a great turtle to hold up the 4 corners of the world. People below passed buckets of clay and reeds so she could build strong river banks again. Farmers planted willows to hold soil, and children stacked stones to mark safe paths. When the last crack closed, a rainbow arched across the healed sky like a promise. Nuwa told humans they must also mend small breaks, share food, stop quarrels, and plant trees. When you see a rainbow, remember Nuwa smiling because repair is always possible.